Hello. So I ordered a certain amount of hijabs. I forgot how many. You guys wanted to see like the fabrics and the colors that came. Are they true to color? Are they true to like the touch and the fabric? There are some textures and colors that don't seem to match up, such as the hijab I'm wearing in this exact frame. It's actually supposed to be brown, not purple. I'm wearing something I would probably wear like to school or in a professional setting, so you'll get to see like which hijab it is and what the fabric it is and what I think about it. I said it would get here from May 21st to 25th, and it got here on the 25th. So this is during coronavirus time, so shipping is kind of slow, and all the way from Turkey. So I'm pretty happy, honestly. So let's get to seeing about the other hijabs, how they look. So I really like this texture. It's a combed cotton. I've never owned this texture before, and I've kind of always avoided it because it seems slippery, but it actually holds on pretty well. You can see like the texture of the comb cotton, and so I'm showing it really closely because I never knew what it looked like. In the back, it is actually pretty plain and very, very flat, and then in the front you can see that it's like ridges, so it has a good weight on it, and I really like it. I think I'm gonna wear it a lot. I ordered a lot of purple because that's recently one of my favorite colors, like in addition to green, and also the school I'm going to, their colors are purple, so I want to be able to like match with my scrubs and other things, and it just kind of looks good on my skin tone. Here we have the maroon combed cotton hijab, and again, it has a good weight, really good texture. You can dress it up, dress it down. I really enjoy being able to just loosely throw on a hijab and go about my day. And that's what this will allow because of the nice weight and the nice texture. And I have a feeling if you happen to like spill coffee on this hijab or something, it'll be easy to clean up. This is the copper hijab. You can see it has stripes and it's shimmery, which I love. I feel like it's a great hijab for day-to-day wear, but also a great hijab for like going out, and it kind of illuminates the face. Yeah, I do think it goes great with greens and warm colors, and I love it. And it has a good weight and it's very light, so in case you're like going out and it's the summer, I think it's a really good option. Okay, I look like a nun right now, but I just want to say, when you're ordering the hijabs, be careful because you might accidentally buy the ones that have an attached bonnet to it. So I'm going to try to tie it and see what it looks like, but I honestly do not like these bonnet hijabs. I prefer to have my own underscarf. So we'll see what happens. It's alright. It's a very light hijab, which I enjoy, again, for the summers. And it's a really beautiful color. It's like periwinkle. Yeah, and the material, it's kind of like that slippery material. That's fine if you like it, but I'm more of a clingy, cottony material kind of girl. I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna keep it. This is a more cottony fabric, viscosy. Actually, it's a green. It's like a hunter green. I really like it a lot. I'm wearing like an exercise top with scrub pants with this, and I personally think it looks really good for like everyday daily wear, and just like a comfortable hijab for all kinds of seasons. Maybe more fall and winter, due to like it's not too heavy, but you can like double it up and it'll be really nice and warm. This is a jersey hijab, and I love jersey, and I think a lot of people do. Jersey has like a great weight to it and a nice sheen as well. So this is also like a hunter green jersey hijab. It's really comfy, really soft. Good size. I love that. Some of them are huge and you don't know what to do with the rest of the fabric, and some of them are pretty small. And you can't like get a lot of cover up with it. But this is an awesome one. If you like jersey hijabs, I would recommend ordering from here and ordering this brand or this style. This is another jersey hijab. It's a great style, and it's not the color I expected. This is the color shown on the website. I expected more brownie, but honestly it looks good on camera. Maybe I'm just not seeing that minky color, that pinky minky color, because that's why I bought it. To me it just looks kind of brown, concretey brown, but the camera is showing a different color, so I think that is interesting. I love this one. It is so stretchy, so nice. I kind of changed my mind. If you want to order a jersey hijab, this is the one to order. And you know what? I don't even know why I try any other hijabs, because jersey hijabs are the best. They just look great and they hold on to their shape and they have a nice weight, nice and stretchy. It's pretty stretchy. This is kind of a jersey hijab, but it's yes. Someone is getting pulled over for speeding in my neighborhood. Finally, did you hear that? Yes, I'm so happy. There's just like always so many people speeding down the neighborhood street and they never get caught. They got caught this time, baby. Anyways, as I was saying, this is an amazing, this is a nice black hijab, and it's not as stretchy as the other ones or even a normal jersey. It's more like just like a cottony. So I love it. It's really comfy. I messed up. I forgot to look at the dimensions of the hijab, and I got a square one in the mail. Don't recommend this one. It's too square for any modern styling. Thanks for watching, and subscribe and share, I guess. I'll have other videos up.